we're going to show you how to replace the squeegee blades on a couple different squeegees. Generally, two different types of squeegee blades. There's the rounded squeegee and the T squeegee. These brass squeegees, these are just like classic brass squeegee. They have just a round channel, and they have these little brass clips that hold the rubber in place. Sometimes it's hard to get that grip on that rubber. I take a rag, just kind of grip it, pull it off. You can see that little brass clip has little teeth on the inside that grip the squeegee and hold it in place when it's in there. So to replace it, just pull that out. To put the blade back in, you take your new blade, you slide it in the channel. So you take it, slide it all the way through, put that clip on it. You can see with those teeth that grip it, and this clip has these little flanges right there that kind of keep it from sliding in too far. So once you've got it in there, you can kind of just take it against something and press it down, press it all the way in. And you want it to be just square with the end of your channel there, and you don't want your rubber to be bunched up. So you kind of look at it, make sure it's nice and smooth. This is a Unger channel. They come in long ones and short ones. It's just a little squeegee. These are super easy to change out. There's a little button here, and it depresses and opens up these teeth. You slide the channel out, cut a new one, slide it in. Little tip, if you're replacing one of these blades, and because the corners are bad but the middle of it's good, you can take that old one, cut it down, and use it on the smaller one. This is one of the T channel squeegees. This is a little bit different. It has a little metal clip that sits on the back of the rubber. You take a little tool, pry it off. Just a little tiny clip like that. Then slide the rubber out, put the new one in. Same thing, you want it to be flush on either side. Just take that little clip and slide it in with it. Kind of got to push it in together. And just push it down, make sure it's nice and snug. So